Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to work on the Mercedes. This is a GLE. It's a 2022, so this procedure should apply to 2022, 2023, and then 2024. So we're going to work on the fuse box. It is going to be the engine area. So I'm going to take you through the whole procedures. All right, let's do it. So first thing first, you just come below right here, and then down right there is that lever. You just pop it up. Then you come to front of the car, and then you pop up the hood, and then our fuse box is going to be on the right side when you're standing from the front of the engine. And then to open the fuse box, you will need a Torx screwdriver. This is a Torx 25. So you just get a Torx 25, and then you can just go right ahead, and then you can open these two screws. It's going to be on the front. So also put in mind there is no screw on behind. It's kind of like a hooking it, kind of like a lock in there. So you just remove this one right here. So once everything is out of the way, you just pop it up like that, and then sometimes it's hard to come from here, so you turn it all the way, and then you just pull like that. This thing is going to unhook from right over here. So this one right here doesn't have kind of like a guide or a paper, so it's just going to be just like that. So if you see right here, we have these numbers on the side, 101, F102. So those are the fuse numbers. And then we have the small fuses on this side, and then we have this kind of like bigger one, medium ones, and then we have a relay. We have like two relays only on this one. So I guess other trims have more relays. So let's begin with the small ones right over here. So we start by this one on the corner is a 125 fuse number 125. This is for the 5 amps. This is for the engine electronics. And then next to it, this is a 123 as the 5 amps. This is for the engine electronics. So these together are for the engine computer, for the ACM. Then next we have this 5 amps. This is fuse number 122. This is for the automatic transmission. And then next we have the red one right over here. This is 10 amps. It's 121. It's for automatic transmission. So the difference between these two is that they both work for different circuits and electronics within the transmission. All right, let's come to this other side over here. So we have an empty space. So the next one is the fuse number 126. This is for the exterior lamp switch. Is 5 amps. This is for the like the headlights and all these like parking lights, etc. Then we have an empty space, and then the next one we have a mini fuse. This fuse is not assigned yet. We come next here to fuse number 118. Is 15 amps. It's going to be for the coolant pumps. And then next to it is going to be 15 amps too, is 119 for the coolant fan. Once that section is done, we come to these medium fuses. So we start with this one right here, 106. This is for the windshield wiper. This is 25 amps. And then we come down right here, and then we have this 30 amps. So it's fuse number 111. This is for the windshield wiper. Next is fuse 110. This is 20 amps. This is for the exterior light. This works together with fuse number 126. This is fuse number 102. This is 25 amps. This is for the engine electronics, for the ACM. Next is fuse number 133. This is 20 amps. This one right here is unassigned. And then we came to this last section, which we begin by this 5 amps. This is going to be fuse number 124. This is for the engine electronics. We come next. This is 15 amps. This is for the engine electronics. And then we come to the next one. This is 15 amps. This is going to be fuse number 103. This is for the engine electronics. And then the last one is going to be 104. This is for the engine electronics too. So all these are going to be for the engine electronics. And then once that is done, once that is done, we go to the relays. So we have 2 relays. And for whatever reason, Mercedes decided not to include a relay information on cars post 2020. So based on my own hunch, I'm just trying to think that maybe this relay no longer provide a service to specific units within the car. Maybe they just like universal relays and stuff like that. But I don't know. If anybody has that information, you can put it in the comment section. Alright, so as simple it is, those are the fuses and the relays which are for this trim. This is the GLE580. So next I think I will go into the one which is inside the car. So if you have any questions for this, guys, you can leave in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you out. Alright, once that's done, we just put back our cover. Make sure it just locks in like that. And that's it. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, okay, bye bye.